Abusiafo obi kankyere omampanyi John Dramani Mahama mama say drip machines no omo de ye adwuma gisika go mbotom obi kankyere omampanyi John Dramani Mahama mama say drip machines no some district omo de
Mama wakwaba emfa umbra Ghana SM TVGH so wo frame adwoa searching ebusuafo drip machines eye abanya etwe moko NPP aban me kire His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo na ne Dr. Bawumia e de bai say eye akwanya omo beyiye no omo di gyayen se ese ya yemfa nye maintain akwan no omo se NDC fo ba so yi wodi tuwia de ma rent into o man into ebe ye Awurade Yankopɔ si be hwenye na chese ei is a near man na Ghana hanan kasa no yentimemfo na politicians na wodi ye anim na omo ye no is a wodwe ho hu ziti na yentu kwan because o man na eyeyo ana o man na be ye drip machines na wodi aba no sa na His Excellency the former president Nana Danko Akufo-Addo be di so yeah, ambulance and they Ghana. He said the whole a country like Ghana ambulance in Dubai 13 is a fancy. And now about Janana so 360. A distributing my constituencies in now. A baby at the gal a your friend saying ambulance no ever by cement who crumia. Now and then me said woman so one prosecute your moon desert is a moonka or moody. Drip machines was what they mahayo, what they train is it done. A blocks.
Abusiafo obi kankyere omampanyi John Dramani Mahama mama say drip machines no omo de ye adwuma gisika go mbotom obi kankyere omampanyi John Dramani Mahama mama say drip machines no some district omo de ye adwuma ye de twe anwea ma manfo kwa manfo proto so gisika go mbotom ei NDC amayoku sisi anu mo ho ayehu ye nim de ye nka biem aban bi ntiasie mu aban bi nyansa mu no or the drip machines abase yemfa maboa rural areas yemfa maboa potem akwan a asai apro wo man Ghana across Ghana nyina no yenye ni yi aban sesa ya mo the drip machines ni de ye sika dwuma mudi ye adwuma anwea no mudi twegu amanfo prot so agisika ende mudi machines no level o mo asase so amanfo koto asase na nso nya drip machine no mudi koye level so gisika go mo botom Ghana fo ye ka kire mo omuni adwene bi omudi adefufuro bi ebre Ghana fo de ye de beba no mo se no health insurance o mo se no drip a o mo se no free SHS o mo se no bibia ye de beba bia no mo se no. In fact, this morning, Kwama NDC Amayuku, DC is a yemu fufro. And Chaya Babe Bubodi. Munim say, drip machines, Mumfanya Juma, Mumanin Siwo, 2028 MPP Yaba, Yedi Babe Yejuma, Amagana for. Yet the drip machines are bar, Mudi Yejuma, Chian here, any adi the Gumu bottom, and the Jessica, and what bra, a man for Kwanya Pro Atitia say. A dear Rana a ha NDC for. A dear Rana, Nagana for Mudiable, a baby.
Or not just only 24 hours. He couldn't. He is always breeding people that will cause chaos. And that is why the question is, did we vote for chaos and hooliganism? Because that is what they're showing. Spearheaded by John Dramani Mahama. Don't see him as a peaceful guy. He's a very dangerous guy. In 2020, he went and signed the peace pact. Didn't he sign? He signed. But till date, he was not able to congratulate Nana Danko Akufo-Addo. Till date. But on the Ninia Baobia, or Pegan, a year no passing 20, or consider man, no, I am a funo. Oh, yes, Mahama Semna making. Why are not funo so be a John this no Gina and Yana de were finishing or by a press conference. But a koya didn't have been the 9 year John Mahama day. Such a demonic guy, the Assemblies of God, a Katan who did deep on it, and people are going after it. I say Mahama is some alternative. said the conkurase ko catch the nkurase for say ye be yi o be hye fu a sebe ba omi abejo enwusie tax na winim professor dia wo kan ye tro na so just to get vote. Now there you say back to my first thing. Omunya vote na dia no mo dey. They do nothing with it. Now nini na no it serves MPP right. Let me come there just for a little bit. It serves MPP right because MPP is the only political party that because of Onuankasa ni internet no or better to the amanitan for some fambo ninkuno. Inti be that. MPP does that. They do that. What idea be an card bebuano, a boy we crown on kind now radio on fire. Talono crocor in that you see. But you see, when I came here in March, I told you something about NDC and we all laughed. But it is true. Senior, if an NDC man steals 30 pesos, obe make sure say, obe check 30 pesos, no obi a eden, obi anya biadi. Eti ye bodu ya ekonomi ni nara. En tokwaba so a ye ni na abekwa kokon. But ye MPP for no, ebi no be ye nim fefefe. Oh me, oh bibia be okay. Scanish a ho, no they are just having a baby. Utie, na why Armstrong. Na fe ade na bu abonu a walusu awie no, na fe do omu puska na bre oh, kona koka sama he kona koye we mayen. We keep killing our own self. Because no government did the work Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo did. It is never true. Me mo bi anada. Ejuma Nana do de. Me say NDC for no kra nde. Onyame aya adom omo beba power no. Fa omo a record from 2017. Did you hear them talk about economy? 2016, their message was what? Nation builder, infrastructure king. Then we came to see, said, most of the projects, they were ghost projects. But that's what I say. So now they could, in 2020, they could no longer use the economy, and neither could they use the infrastructure king. Because at that time, NPP has launched what they call the delivery tracker. So now we could see what has been done and what hasn't been done. And that is why it exposed them. So if you watch the only message NDC carried into the 2020 election was nepotism. Akufo-Addo has said enough for and Akufo-Addo didn't confirm go. That is all they did. Show me one message on there was nothing. And again, this absolute power I'm telling everybody who is watching me this afternoon and say, this is not the first time they have been given the power. The issue is, what do they do with the power when they get it? I can say some of them. Under Jerry John Rawlings, he had power, but we were in the worst economic shape ever. To the point where we were HIPIC. You understand? We have to join the HIPIC initiative for our debts to be forgiven. Because he came from military to become a civilian. And throughout those 19 years, Ghana didn't rise to nothing. Until the gentleman called President Kufuor came on board. And we started hearing Ghana's name climbing up economically. Before Kufuor was leaving, a price of cement at that time was 8 cedi. Okay? 8 cedi. When Mahama was leaving office, it was 35 if you are in the city, and then 34 and 32 if you are in the outer lands. But today they are telling us that after 8 years, it is 95 cedis, and therefore they've never heard that before. They don't even talk about baby and you free. Amona and you them get to climb your baby draw. And I tell you, it is only 20%. Any economist person in NDC, I'm ready to even debate Adongo and all of them and ask them, say, apart from 2022,